So we have this subscribe button animation, and the background is green, just a green screen. So we want to get rid of this green color, because underneath this track we have this track, this video. Okay, so this is the video that we want as the background of the subscribe button. So to do that, I need to select the track, this subscribe button animation track. So I'm going to select it, and then under video, by default you are on basic tab. Okay, so we need to go to this remove BG or remove background tab, and you'll need to check this Chroma Key. Okay, check, and then it's already gone because I already was doing this green screen thing. So the thing is, there is something called color picker. If you click here, it's turned off, but if you click it again, it's turned on. So you need to turn it on. Let's say if I click on this red color subscribe button, click, and it turns to red. That means now the red color in this video is gone. So now you can see, this video of this, the trees behind subscribe button. So we don't want that. We need the green background to be removed. So again, turn on the color picker and click on this green area. As you can see, if you just hover over it, it disappears, but it doesn't get disappeared in the final output. So you need to click on the green area. Now it's gone. But the thing is, if you go to this part, you might see like a little bit of green border here. When you first do the chroma key, intensity is set to around like maybe 5 or 6, and you will see this little bit of green border, these green border around the subscribe button. So you need to get rid of it by clicking and dragging the intensity, and yeah, around 70 is good. So now we don't have this border, okay, around the subscribe button. So now if I play the video, we have the subscribe button, but we don't have the green background. So that's how we get rid of green screen in CapCut.